Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. Today is the last giveaway drawing for the Glassine Bag printable mini album template. Oh, my batteries. I better plug that in really quick. Where's my charger? I've already pulled up the YouTube random comment picker thingy. But anyway, it's the last two background designs that are going to be available in the Glassine Bag mini album. So this is my printable mini album template, and these are the two albums that I've made on video. My printable mini album templates, they will be linked in the description box below. If you want to go check that out, they're available in my Etsy shop. And then here, well, let's see, let's look at the first one. The first one we made, this was the Santa Baby Glassine Bag mini album, and we made this, actually made this at a Made-A-Con, but I also made it step by step on YouTube. So I'll put a YouTube playlist, I'll put that up here and down below specifically for this mini album. If you want to make this step by step, isn't it super cute? And since Christmas is just right around the corner, it is the perfect little mini album for that. I don't know if this collection is still available. If it is, I will link that down below as well. I have a special Amazon list specifically for this project, so I will link that down below as well. So there's the first one we made, and then here's the second one we made. So this one is the Midnight Garden Glassine Bag mini album, and I have a YouTube playlist. I will put a link here and down below specifically for this album that we made step by step with this cool acetate cover. Or actually, that's craft plastic, not acetate. But anyway, this one we did step by step, and I had a great time making this one. I'm telling you, you guys, this template has to be one of my most favorites ever. I just love the Glassine Bag. I just love it. I mean, it just looks so pretty and vintage. It's a faux Glassine bag. It's not a real Glassine bag, but it's just so pretty. And I don't know, this is just one of my favorites. And it's so easy to make. It's quick. It does not take that long. I mean, of course, my videos, there's a whole bunch of videos, but I'm just doing step by step, doing every little detail with you guys. But if you were just making it, you could probably make this in a couple of days. But I love this one. This one was great. So if this paper collection is available, even if it's not, I'll put my Amazon list down below specifically for this project. So this is the Midnight Garden Glassine Bag. So those are the two albums that I made for YouTube to show you how to use the Glassine Bag mini album printable templates. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so there's all the backgrounds that initially we're going to come out with, and the last two are the Distress Stripes and the Harlequin. So that is what we're going to be releasing today, but I wanted to show you what they look like with all the other backgrounds that it's available on. So this one is the patchwork. Oh, this is page number 5, by the way. It's kind of like a Glassine bag, but more structured. So there is an actual looking Glassine bag thingy in the template, and then well, I'll show you, since I've got them right here. So it looks like, it doesn't have the wording on it, but it looks like that. So that looks more like a Glassine bag than, or you know, like a vintage distressed Glassine bag. And then page 5, it's more of a structured one, right? So this one is page 5. So all of these were printed on page 5. So this is the patchwork background. Love that. Available in my Etsy shop. And this one is the watermark. Again, available in my Etsy shop. So this one is the music notes. And this one is the vintage, right? And this one is note paper. Super cute. And this one is the wood. And then this one, the vintage polka dot. Love that one too. This one would be great for Christmas, I think. That one and the stripes, and I'll show you the stripes in just a second. This is the collage, the number 2 collage. And on the inside here, I had printed one of my shades of color on the inside, and then turned it around and printed the collage number 2 on there. And then here is the ledger. Just love this one. Love the ledger. And then I printed it onto, this is some coffee stained paper, right? Some real coffee stained paper. This is antique laid paper. You're probably not going to be able to see the texture. And my lighting seems really strange right now. I don't know if you'll be able to see the texture, but it's really pretty in texture. And then here is ivory parchment. I think you can see that pretty good, right? And so all the templates come with the background design of choice. Let me show you what the Etsy listing looks like. Here's what the distress stripe Etsy listing looks like, right? And then the Harley script, that's what that looks like. So that is what the Etsy listing looks like when you're looking for it in my Etsy shop. But I'll have my whole Etsy shop linked down below. I will have the section in my Etsy shop that just has the Glassine Bag templates. I'll have that listed down below. But here is what the distress stripes look like. Wouldn't this be perfect for Christmas too? And you could also print these in black and white. How pretty would that look in black and white? You know, like the grayscale. So if you wanted to get the set of distress stripes, you'll also get a set of the plain templates, okay, with nothing on them. You'll also get a set of the coffee stained background. So you'll get all 3 sets with the one purchase of the background design. These 2 are not available on their own. This is not available on its own. It's only a set. It only comes as a set. All 3 as a set. And then you also get a full set with for the guidebook that has the guide, like the instructions actually on each template. So then the other one is the Harley script. And it looks like that, right? And I just inked the inside there. So that's what the Harley script looked like. So you get a full set of the Harley script, full set of the plain, and a full set of the coffee stained. Those 3 full sets come together as one. Each one is not available on their own. Okay, so those 2 have been released today. And so there's going to be 2 winners. So all you had to do to enter into win is to leave a comment in last month's giveaway video. So I've already pulled in that URL and I've pasted it there, and it's already picked up the comments. So all I'm going to do is hit start and then we'll see. So let me hit start. Tammy Walsh, you said love patchwork. Oh, well, that one's already available. But Tammy Walsh, there is a special email that I will have linked down below specifically just for my winners of my giveaways. Contact me through there and you choose which one of these background designs that you want, whether it's the distress stripe or the Harley script. So congratulations, Tammy Walsh. And let me write that down. Okay, so now I'm going to pick one more winner. So I'm going to hit pick another winner. And then I'm going to hit, the cord's getting stuck. I'm going to hit start. And Tristan Evans. Tristan Evans. Wow, I love your patchwork templates just a little bit more than the other. Actually, I love them both. What a clever irk you are. I don't think that's what you meant to say. But anyways, so congratulations to you. You can contact me via that email down below as well. I won't answer any other correspondence with that email. So it's just for these 2 winners. Okay, so again, you guys contact me through that email and you pick which background design you want and we'll go from there. So you guys have 1 week to contact me to claim your winnings. I will have all that information down below, so be sure to check down there. Okay, you guys, so since this is the last background design release for this printable template, I'm going to do a little bit more special, a little bit better, I'm going to give you guys a coupon code. How about that? I have got a coupon code here for you guys. It's good for everything in my shop with a $10 minimum purchase. It is good for today after this video goes public, which is September 5th. Once this video goes public, it'll be good. It'll be valid from then until September 8th. These are 2019 dates, so if you're watching this in the future, that is probably not valid anymore. So the coupon code is for 35% off of everything in my shop, everything in my Etsy shop. I'll have my Etsy shop linked down below. And you just need a $10 minimum purchase, and it is Glassine 35. So you can use this as many times as you want. in that date time frame. You don't have to just use it once. You could use it if you're like, oh, I meant to buy this, or oh, I meant to buy that. You can use it as many times as you want. For, I guess today is Thursday, so it's going to be valid all the way through the weekend. So it's good for 35% off of everything in my Etsy shop. All of that information will be down below as well. Okay, you guys, I've really loved this template. Do give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know what you think about this template down in the comment section below. I'd love to know if you've tried it. I'd love to see pictures of your albums if you made one. In my Facebook group, people share a lot of their projects in there, and I love it, and they get a lot of feedback, and they get a lot of positive encouragement from all the members. So if you're not a member of my Facebook group, I'll have that link down below as well. You just need to request to join, and then you need to answer the questions. There's 3 questions, I believe. And then one of the admins will check you out and make sure you're a person and accept you into the group. All right, you guys. That's all I got for you today. And I will see you next time. Bye.